later. Jen riding out front.
Oh yeah.
Not Rainier in front of us. And Jen did not drop down the cliff. Disappointed, but we pedaled up Corral Pass Fire Road there. Started all the way down this valley. And then went over here to Noble Knob, which is kind of like a XC thing. A lot of runners on it. I also think trail running's really cool.
Yeah.
Not as cool as biking, but with not Rainier in the background. She actually already took the picture, but we're doing this again for the gimbal footage. So worth it. Nice view of the hills. Steep section in the trail. Dry. Not climbable unless you're crazy. Crazy talented. Jen making it look easy. Is it still sunny and nice that way?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. Still climbing on Noble Knob. Got a steep, exposed section here. I guess you'd fall into nice, pretty flowers though, so, you know, wouldn't be too bad. Oh shit! You okay, Jen?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Watch out for that rock behind you.
Did you get that?
All right, Jen showing off.
Showing off really slowly, one piece.
Woo!
I'm just gonna send it now.
Let's see what this looks like. I mean, probably Danny McCaskill type stuff at this
Yeah,
point.
you could probably take the left here and then down right there.
Yeah. Kind of a cool little,
Sweet spot.
yeah. Get a picture.
There's a pink flower on the rock.
Get this stupid bike out of the way. Awesome. Right. Have a cool little rocky ridge here. Right here, left is Deep Creek. Looks steep and fun, but we're gonna go the boring way here, which goes to Ranger Creek Descent, which is what we're gonna take, which will be fun. Nice move. Oh, wait, hold on. Damn it.
Can you picture how a melody is built into existence? The root section hits it and upholds it with persistence.
Comes Jen.